Flats again. This time we're out here in the Raptor. We did bring the Tacoma, but we're out here riding the quad today, so we should have a good time. We should have a very good time, right? Hopefully everything goes smooth. I did get a sick drone shot of when I was driving in. I finally got the drone to record and follow as I'm driving, so I'm very excited on that. I'm gonna see if I can make something happen where I can have the drone follow me on the quad, but I do need to have the remote mounted somewhere on the bike, and because I had to switch my day off this week, I didn't get the mount on time. Hopefully everything works out. Hopefully I don't damage my phone further, and hopefully I don't crash the drone again, because that was not fun the last time. So stay tuned. I'm gonna mount the GoPro onto the bike, get you guys some sick shots, and hopefully get you guys some pretty decent audio. Cool. Peace. So this is called the Lookout Trail. It's a pretty steep climb. I don't think I can do this. I'm not as experienced as I should be in order to try this, but just want to show you. I mean, it's a pretty steep climb. You know, just without being here, you can't really tell how steep it really is, but it's steep. I kind of want to try it, but not really. I'm not trying to get hurt today. I'm riding solo. If I was here with a friend, if I was here with AJ, I might be down to try it, but I'm here alone today, so I'm gonna turn around and go down and keep doing the stage trail. So I'm on the screwdriver trail here at Rowher Flats. It's for bikes and quads. And you know, I see, as I was coming up, I see this wrecked vehicle, you know, and I'll show you guys this down there. You know, sadly, there's a cross right next to it, and it's a grim reminder of, you know, how quickly shit can go south. You know, how quickly we can lose everything. Just recently, I mean, we found out something tragic at my wife's job. I'm not gonna get into it, but you know, it's a grim reminder of how everything can go south very quickly, especially in off-roading. If you're not paying attention to where you're going, if you're not paying attention to the signs, if you're not paying attention to, you know, where you're at, you can get lost, you can get hurt, you can flip over. I mean, me personally, I've crashed my quad one time already. I got banged up a little bit, but it wasn't nothing major. But I mean, someone lost their life down there, so I mean, rest in peace to whomever it was. But it just serves us as a reminder of how we need to be careful and practice extra caution when we're out here doing the things that we love to do. Because I mean, I love off-roading. I love being out here in the dirt. Today I came by myself just because I wanted to ride my bike, but you know, just be careful out there. You know, don't risk it. Let someone know where you're going. If you're gonna go out by yourself, I told my wife, hey, I'm gonna be at Rowher Flats. I'm gonna do the ATV trails. You know, I should be home back by 1. So she knows where I'm gonna be at. She knows what time to expect me, and if I'm not home by that time, then something went wrong, right? So always make sure someone knows where you're at. Always make sure you communicate with somebody, because like I said, things can go wrong real quick. And yeah, I mean, geez, rest in peace. All right, guys, I did some of the ATV trails. Nothing major, nothing fancy, nothing too difficult. We're out here, we're having a good time. You know, there's ATV tours here at Rowher Flats. Yeah, we did the ATV trail. We did Screwdriver, we did the knob. Not the whole thing, just a section of it. They're black diamond trails. The Raptor took it like a champ. I did bump my wheel against the rock pretty hard, and I almost fell off the bike, but I was able to save it. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just out here to be with nature, you know? Out here to have fun, out here to experience everything that the planet has to offer. I'm at the staging area. I think this is staging area number 2. There's nobody here. It's a Saturday morning. There's a picnic bench here. You guys should come out at least to, you know, explore. You know, you don't need a 4-wheel drive to get to the staging area, but definitely something I would recommend to everybody. Come out here, you know, see what the planet has to offer. You're gonna go back to the bike and you know, ride back to the truck, and hopefully have some fun on the way there. So watch the next clip. I'm gonna do some high-speed riding. Hopefully I don't wreck in the same place that I wrecked last time. But yeah, I mean, this is Rowher Flats. There's ATV trails, there's truck trails, there's a picnic area all the way up there. So in the Rowher Flats video, we were up there, somewhere up there, where you see a lot of trees. That's where we were at, that's where we cooked, that's where we ate. And yeah, loop back to that Rowher Flats video. That's pretty fun. If you guys bring out your bikes, your quads, your bikes, you guys can back up your truck into here. Back up your truck, and there's different heights for different trucks. It makes it easy to load up, load in. If you don't have ramps, I myself don't have ramps. I use my strength. I pick up the front, push it forward, lift up the rear, push it in, and then strap it down. You know, nothing out of the world. It's a Raptor 700. It is heavy, but you know, I'm a 300-pound man, so there must be some strength in there, right? So yeah, I mean, you hear bikes all around me. There's people riding their bikes up the Rowher trail, and just having fun. There's nothing better than being out here riding. See that guy? He's going up the start of the Rowher trail. You know, it's a fun trail. I mean, we did it in the trucks. Pretty sure bikes can do it no problem. It is more difficult spin on 2 wheels, but very doable. This again just because I don't know how the audio came out on the other clip, but we're all wrapped up. We had fun at Rowher doing the ATV trails. By we I mean me, because AJ didn't come out. It was fun. it was dope. We got to see trails that I haven't done here. A lot of interesting trails. I did knock my control arms on some rocks, so I'm thinking about getting skids for the quad. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more ATV content. Let me know if you guys prefer the Tacoma, the off-roading content. I honestly want to do both. I love riding my quad. My kids have one too, and I'm thinking about buying another one. So let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys want to see ATV content? Do you guys want to see off-roading content? Is a drone cinematic shots nice for you guys? Is it not? Give me your feedback in the comments. Let me know, what do you guys want to see? What do you guys enjoy? It got really windy. But yeah, I mean, off-roading, it's fun for everybody. I mean, if you look over there, there's some little kids with their dad riding their bikes. So yeah, it's for everybody. It's for the family. My kids love coming out here. They love being out in the dirt. I'm glad that they like it. But also, like I said, you guys have to be careful. You have to keep an eye on them. You have to keep an eye on yourself and what you're doing, because like you guys saw, things can go wrong really quickly, and you just really got to be careful. You really got to make sure that you're paying attention to where you're going, to what you're doing, in any scenario that you're doing. But yeah, let me know. Subscribe, comment, like the video. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys want to see? And yeah, we'll go from there. Peace. K-Town Taco out.